Hi YouTubers, this is Windmill. Today I want to show you a height adjustable burner stand. As you see, this is a normal shape of the gas stove and the burner stand, and this is pot. Normally, the distance between this fire and from the bottom of the pot will be approximately 3 to 5 centimeters. They will catch the heat from the flame easily and strongly. And these four legs are very strong, and there is a height adjustable nuts. This is a normally used isobutane gas container for 230 grams, and this is very small size burner, and you can put over here, and if something it's not stable, you can just twist the nuts to adjust the height and make it play. It's stable, okay? But sometimes, if you're out of this gas, it's empty. And if you wanna use this kind of your homemade small alcohol stove with this burner stand and put the pot on it, you cannot cook the meals you want because this is far away. So you have to adjust the height of this burner. So I made it elevating system and adjust around 3 to 5 centimeter. You can turn the nuts from the bottom. You see, there are 4 legs, and you have to turn 4 nuts to make it stable and plain. You see? Like this. So it will not tilt over for some reason. Okay? Now it's stable. You see? You can see the different height of the stoves. The height of this big one is around 16 centimeter, and the height of this alcohol stove is around 9 centimeter. That means if you have this height adjustable burner stand, you can use 2 different stoves. Sometimes you want to use this kind of gas fire alcohol stove, then you can turn the nuts down to the bottom. Okay, it's very easy just to turn the nuts down. Then this plate will slide down, and you can just put this big one and you can put the pot in. See? You understand how I explain? Let me show you again. There are many different kinds of gas stoves you may use. I have 5 different types of alcohol stove. This is heating priming alcohol stove. This is small size priming alcohol stove. This is natural type priming type alcohol stove. This is a combustion gas fire alcohol stove. This is a commercial gas container, isobutane gas container with a small burn only. So the height and the size is different. But if you have only this one homemade height adjustable burner stand, you can use these different stoves with this one burner stand without causing any trouble. As you see, this is 6mm diameter, and the 4 legs is really stable, and this is a steel plate. So whenever you want to use, sometimes you want to use all kinds of stoves one by one for hobby or for fun, then you can just set up the height. If you want this one, just set up the height for the pot to put on, and for the fire, the flame is easy to cook the things. Okay, just height, or just the height. So you can turn this notch on. It's very easy. You don't have to use more power to adjust this one. Just turn the knob. Okay. Sometimes 3 will be good for cooking. You got it. Then you can use these 5 different type of alcohol stoves for fun, for cooking. So this is the answer. Now I'm gonna show you how to make this one. As you see, you can buy this 4 flange nut. As you see, it can adjust the height about 1 centimeter up and down. So you can make the pot plane to set on without problem. And this is the steel plate. And this is nuts, 4 nuts on it. And this is the bottom plate. And this is a long bolt. The height is around 18 centimeter. So you can buy at the hardware store this long 4 bolts and the nuts to fix it. And this is height adjustable nuts. And this is another square plate and put in. and it's easy to turn it up and down to meet the height of the alcohol stove. And put the nuts. This is a flange nut to adjust the height a little bit, the distance and the gap of the things from the pot, bottom of the pot. Okay, and you can put the pot on it. So you can adjust the height by turning the screws, and it's really stable to cook to something. Okay, it's stable, so you can use any kind of alcohol stove for cooking by adjusting the height of this plate. Okay? Elevating system, up and down. Thanks for watching.